Most people earn money, but have no idea where it goes. If you've ever reached the end of the month wondering what happened to your paycheck, this simple rule can change everything. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned until the end of the video, and you will change your perception of budgeting totally. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting method that tells you how to divide your income into 3 clear categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving and investing. No complicated spreadsheets, no stress, just a clear system for your money. Let's start with the first 50%. This portion is for your needs, the things you must pay to survive. This includes rent or mortgage, food, utilities, transportation, insurance, minimum debt payments. If your needs take more than 50% of your income, it's a sign your lifestyle may be too expensive. Not that you're bad with money. The next 30% is for your wants. These are things you enjoy but don't truly need. Eating out, subscriptions, new gadgets, entertainment, shopping. This category allows you to enjoy life without guilt, as long as it stays within the limit. The final 20% is the most powerful part. This money is for emergency savings, investing, paying off debt faster. Even small amounts matter. Saving just 20% consistently builds security, freedom, and future wealth. Let's say you earn $1,000 a month. Using the 50-30-20 rule, $500 goes to needs, $300 goes to wants, $200 goes to savings. Simple, clear, powerful. This is how money starts working for you instead of against you. Many people fail not because the rule doesn't work, but because they ignore it. Spending wants money as needs, skipping savings, or never tracking expenses. Awareness is the real secret. You don't need to be rich to budget. You budget to become rich. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the rest. Subscribe for more simple money lessons that actually change your life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.